How to turn on low power mode on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable it and extend your battery life in just a few taps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Here, you'll see the low power mode option. Simply turn on the toggle next to low power mode. Once enabled, your iPhone will reduce background activity, such as mail fetching, automatic downloads, background app refresh, and some visual effects to help save battery power. You'll know low power mode is active when the battery icon at the top of your screen turns yellow. You can also quickly enable low power mode from the control center if you've added the battery control shortcut. On my device, low power mode may already be enabled, but you can follow the same steps to turn it on or off whenever needed. This feature is especially useful when your battery's running low and you need your iPhone to last longer before charging. And that's how to turn on low power mode on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and battery saving guides.